After pumila dito sa Wandering Oak and Sliding Slice ng almost 1 hour and a half, pila ulit tayo ng another 1 hour and a half para sa Frozen Ever After. Promise adventurers, sobrang buhay na buhay animatronics ng ride na to. Panoorin nyo.
Today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. But for the frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends. It's rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun. Just let no steam.
At after ng ride na yon, ay napadaan naman tayo sa Toy Story Land. Pero di na ako nakapag-rides dyan dahil malapit na din ang Momentus. At kailangan ko i-next ang Mystic Manor dahil underrated daw ito pero ang ganda ng loob. At so far, itong ride na to ang pinaka na-enjoy ko.
In search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor.
Albert, there you are. You didn't touch that music box, did you? You never know. The legend just might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor.
At dyan nagtatapos ang ating Hong Kong Disneyland rides. Abangan ang next video na Momentus.